Hello, I'm Rex Childhouse, and to date this, because things on the internet seem to lose their date references, today is March 1st, 2022. It's a Tuesday. And today I received the replacement car cover from Sealskin for my Subaru Forester. In November of 2021, we purchased a Subaru Forester and expected delivery in December or February, or December or January, and we got it on January 8th. Now, one of the things we were told was it shouldn't have the car cover put on it for a couple of weeks, so we hadn't even taken the sealskin car cover that we received in December out of the container until something like January 21st of 2022. So we opened it up, and we have some other information, another video, and if you search YouTube for Sealskin Video 2022-01-21, you can see that video. So we opened it up, we put the that car cover on the Subaru Forester, and it is distinctly not the right car cover. It's 18 plus inches too long, it's 4 to 6 inches too wide, 4 to 6 inches too tall. Compared that car cover to our next door neighbor's Subaru Ascent, which is a much bigger vehicle, and looks like it's fit. Contacted Sealskin, and their first thing was, you're not complaining within 30 days of purchase, therefore you lose. Made that first video, and with the first video they changed their mind. Well, it's guaranteed to fit. It didn't even have the car for the first 30 days that we had the car cover. Didn't even try it on the car. So in accordance with the timeline, we sent it back to Sealskin, and they said that as soon as they got the return, that they would ship the replacement. Well, several weeks went by after the return was indicated by FedEx that it was there. Still no notification of any shipping date. I called him up, and I called him up on February 16th, 2022, which was a Wednesday. And besides having a whole lot of people shouting and joking in the background of the phone call, I was told that it would either ship today, being Wednesday, February 16th. At the latest, it would ship Thursday, February 17th, 2022. Shipping container shows that it shipped February 23rd, 2022. Well, it showed up today, which is March 1st, 2022, and first thing we did was open it up and put it on the car. And it doesn't fit. It won't even fit on the car. This one is way too small. So their homepage says that they are open, and hours 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At about 5:20, 5:10 Pacific Time, I called, which would make it 8:20, 8:10 Eastern Time, and they're closed. I chatted with the guy on their chat thing when I logged on to their homepage, and he says, "Hey, call customer service." So here's where we're at. It's guaranteed to fit the car. It doesn't fit the car. The first one doesn't fit the car. The second one doesn't fit the car. Where I'm getting fed up with Subaru. I'm getting fed up with Sealskin, trying to get my Subaru covered in my driveway. So at this point, I'm making a second video to show you how atrocious this fit is. You can watch the first video to see how atrocious that fit is. And I'm going to have to call them tomorrow morning and start the fight over again. So they have a Better Business Bureau rating of F. I'm displeased with them. We're going to have to see how this goes, but don't expect good service out of them. Thanks for enjoy the video if you can. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, this is our replacement sealskin custom fit like a glove car cover for our 2022 Subaru Forester, and it says KXF10 on the front. I have no idea what that is. This is custom fit. Can't even get it on the car. So we're going to have issues with sealskin because this one doesn't even fit. The first one didn't fit. Their advertisement is satisfaction guaranteed and fits like a glove. And the answer is, I'm not sure where they measured this vehicle, but doesn't fit like a glove. And when I sent the first one back, I let them know that it had been sent back. They never acknowledged that email. I checked online, it had been received. And then about 2 weeks later, I called up and said, hey, you know, you've had the returned cover for a while. Where is the replacement cover? And the answer was, oh, we'll get it out today, in the next 45 minutes, or tomorrow. I think that was a Thursday. So we'll get it out today, Thursday, or we'll get it out Friday. It left on Tuesday. So if you're dealing with sealskin, you're not dealing with people who deliver the product they promise. This car, this doesn't fit my car. It's a standard 2022 Subaru Forester. Can't be that hard. It's the same basic size as the 2021 and probably the 2020. But this is what sealskin delivers: is custom fit, fits like a glove, whatever else. And there's no place on their homepage to put comments.